Good morning, everybody. Today is the 8th of the 1st, 21, and this is our maths lesson for today. We are going to be looking at place value again, ordering and comparing numbers up to 1000. I want to say well done to each and every one of you that took part in your LBQ sessions over the course of yesterday. You did a fantastic job, working really hard on those place value challenges. And we're going to be doing some more LBQ tasks today after we've done our introduction into maths. So first of all, as always, we start with our random recap. And our first two questions are the following. The first question is 28 divided by 4. And the second question is work out what 2/3 of 12 is. So think about your knowledge, think about your fact families, think about the number of all the 4s, your 4 times tables, how many 4s go into 28. And here's some of those answers coming through. So yes, the correct answer to that is 7. 7 times 4 equals 28. And then if you did your fact family, swapped it around, 4 times 7 is 28. And then the rest follows suit. Let's have a look at question 2 then. 2/3 of 12. Well, we remember now when we looked at working out fractions of questions. We know we looked at the denominator, which is the secondary number there, which one that goes at the bottom. And that will be the times table figure we work from and looking at the answer of 12. So how many 3's go into 12? That would give us 1/3. So how many 3's go into 12? The answer to that is 4. And then we know that 2/3 would be, we times that answer by 2. So 4 times 2 gives us the answer of, yes, that's correct. The answer is 8. Well done. So obviously the way we work it out first, we can work out what 1/3 is, and then to work out what the second third is, we just times that answer that we have by 2. Excellent. Right, let's move on to the next question. So our input for today. So order these numbers into descending order. So descending means that we would start with the largest number and work our way down to the smallest. So which one of these 4 numbers here is the smallest number? Sorry, the largest number. That's right. Could hear someone say there, 967 is our largest number. So which number would be the next largest? Some 2 tricky ones here, very close by. That's correct. Yes, 253 would be the next largest number. And our next one from that, yes, you're right, would be 234, which leaves us with one more number, which leaves us with the answer of just 23. And that is descending order, starting from the largest to the smallest. So let's have a look at our next slide. So what do these symbols mean? 3 symbols here. 1, 2 and 3. Yes, that's right. I've just heard someone mention about the crocodile. And yes, that's right. More than and less than. And our final symbol here, we use it every day in maths, is correct. Yes, that is the equal sign. Very good. So let's put them into the correct place. So, using our knowledge about the crocodile wants to always eat the biggest number, with its mouth open wide. So, where would we put our first symbol then? You are correct. Well done. So the crocodile would want to be eaten up 98. So 98 is the largest number. Followed by our next number there. So 214 and 214. More than, less than, or equal to? Yes, that's absolutely right. It is equal to because they are equal. They are the same. Well done. And finally, our last number, 987 and 907. More than, less than. Absolutely, yes, you're right. The crocodile needs to be facing this way. 987 is more than 907. Very good. Well done. So let's have a look at our baseline questions before we move on. So which symbol fits in between these two numbers? Second question. Arrange these numbers from smallest to largest. Absolutely right there. So which symbol fits between those two numbers? We've got 9 and we've got 90. Thinking back to the question we've just had about more than, less than and equal to, the correct symbol, you are right, would be the more than, set the less than sign, because 9 is less than 90, which means that would want to have the crocodile's mouth opening towards the larger number, which is 90. Excellent. Question 2 then. Arrange these numbers from smallest to largest. So we could just put the smallest one with a number 1, then a number 2, then a number 3. So let's find the smallest number here. So first we look down the hundreds column to see which has got the smallest value here. And we can see there that the 3 is the smallest of those 3 numbers there. So that can be number 1. That's our smallest number. Then, if we've got 2 that have got 5 in the hundreds column, they're the same. So we need to move to the tens column and see if they're the same. 7 and 4. So, 4 is smaller than 7, so that makes it a smaller number. So that's the next smallest, followed by our final number, 575, is our largest. Very good. Right, so, as usual, once we've got our answers, if you have got both correct, or at least one of those answers correct, you can go straight onto your LBQ task. And if you didn't get any correct, then we can do a little bit more with that. You can speak to me, send me a message, and I can help you with that as best as we can before we start LBQ. Right, good luck to you all, everybody. Speak to you soon.